Hey friends, let's get straight into this awesome song. We're tuned to E flat, so just tune each string down a half step. And as always, we'll do all the guitar parts. So let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So guitar 1, we're just playing the 7th fret on the A 2 times, then jump to the B, 10, 9 on the G, back to 10, pull off to 9 on the B. So back to the open A 2 times, then 3rd fret on the B, 2nd on the G, back to 3rd on the B and pull off the 2. So do the first one again. Back to the A, the same. Then we're coming up to a C, we're going to do the 3rd fret on the A 2 times. Just go 6th fret on the B, 5 on the G, back to the B, 6, pull off the 5. Then play a G power chord, a D power chord, then we're just doing this E's blues riff. We're going to play the 2nd fret on the D, 4 on the G 2 times, and then 2 on the D, 6 on the G once, then go back to 2 and 4 3 times, 1, 2, 3, back to 2 and 6, back to the 2 and 4 3 times, 2 and 6, and finish on 2 and 4 2 times. So that last part. And that's guitar 1. Now let's do guitar 2. So again, we're just starting on the 7 on the A string 2 times. Now we're doing the blues pattern. We're going to go 7 on the A, 11 on the D, back to 7 and 9, 7 and 11, 7 and 9. Then go to the open A 2 times, then open A, 4 on the D, back to open A 2 on the D, back to O and 4, O and 2. Then we have the first one again, back to the A the same. To the C, we're going to do the 3rd fret on the A 2 times, and then 3 A 7 on the D, back to 3 and 5, 3 and 7, 3 and 5. Then we go to the G power chord, the D power chord, come up to the E power chord, do it 2 times, then 7 on the A, 11 on the D once, back to the E 3 times, 2, 3, and then 7 and 11. Go back to the E, then go 7 on the A, 12 on the D, back to 7 and 9, and then go 7 and 11 on the D, back to 7 and 9. So that last part. And that's our intro there. So we're just starting on this D blues riff. We play the O on the 2, O on the D, G 2 times, and then O on the D, 4 on the G, back to O and 2 times. We're going to keep that pattern going throughout the verse. Do the same on the A. Then go to the E, 2 D, 4 G 2 times, and then 2 and 6, back to 2 and 4 2 times. Just go up a string to the B and do the same thing again. Go back to the first D again, to the A the same. Then we're going to E again. We're going to do 2 on the D, 4 on the G 2 times, 2, 6, back to 2 and 4 2 times, 2, 6, 2 and 4 2 times, 2 6, 2 and 4 2 times, and 2 and 6. Then we play that all the way through again, and the only change is the last one. We just leave out the last 2 and 6. So, and they're all the parts to guitar 1. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. Just going to start on the D and another blues pattern. So the D 2 times, and then 5 A 9 on the D once, back to the D 2 times. So we're going to keep that pattern throughout the verse and go to A and do the same. Go up to E and we do the same again. To B the same. Back to the D the same. To the A the same. This is where it's going to change. We go to the E 2 times, and then the 7 A 11 on the D once, back to the 7 and 9 2 times, 7 and 11, back to 7 and 9 once, and then play 9 on the D, 12 on the G. So a big stretch there, back to 9D and G, to 9D, 11G, and then just back to our E power chord there. So, and we do that through 2 times, and they're all the parts to our verse. Now before we go on, welcome to my channel dedicated just to Kiss songs. Here you'll get guitar lessons from all eras, from the early classics to deep cuts and everything in between. And I'll be uploading a new song every week and covering all the guitar parts. So please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let's keep going. So guitar 1 and doing the same here for our pre-chorus. We just do a B, power chord, slide up to a C. Then do the C, slide up to the D. Then back to our blues pattern on A, so the A 2 times, O and 4, back to the A 2 times. Do the same on the C, to the D the same. Then just finish with an A power chord 2 times. And that's our pre-chorus C. So our chorus for guitar 1 is nearly exactly the same as the intro. The only change is we're playing a power chord at the start. Instead of just the 7 2 times, we're doing 7 and 9 2 times, and the rest stays the same. Then the A power chord 2 times. First one again. Back to the A again. To the C power chord. And the rest stays the same. Our G to our D, and then our blues pattern. So the same as the intro, except we're using power chords instead of single notes. Now guitar 2 is the same, we're just using power chords again. So back to the A, back to the E, to the A, to the C, G, to the D, and then we finish the same as before. And that's our chorus there. So for our next verse, we just do guitar 1 and guitar 2 through once. We also have this little fill in the verse. Let me play that for you, then we'll break it down. So we just started with 10 on the E and the B, slide up to 12, then play it 2 more times, and do that again, then play the 12s again, then go to 14 on the G, 12 on the B, back to 12 B and E, and then 14 on the G and the B, back to 12, G and B, and then finish on 14 on the D, 13 on the G, and slide down there. And that's our little fill there. From there we go back to the pre-chorus, and that stays the same. Then we have our next chorus, and we're just going to play up to the D chord. So we have our to the E again, to the A, to the C, play the G and the D. And that's all we're doing there for that chorus, and guitar 1 and 2 are the same as our previous choruses. So then we have our solo rhythm, and we'll look at our solo at the end. We just play our chorus all the way through, and guitar 1 and guitar 2 do their same parts. Then we have our pre-chorus, and that's exactly the same. Then we go back to our outro, and again guitar 1 and 2 stay the same. We just keep repeating the chorus up to the D. So from the G to the D, and then we're just going back to our E, to our A, E, to our A, to our C, G, D, and then just keep repeating that through to the end. Now let's have a look at the solo. So we're going to hold this chord nearly all the way through. We're going to slide up to the 9 on the D, then play 9, B, 7, G, back to 9, D, back to the 9, B to 7, G. Then slide from that 9 on the D up to 14. Hold the chord because we're doing the same chord again. So 14 B, 12 G, 14 D, 14 on the B, 12 on the G. And we do that whole part through 2 times. Back to the 9 again, to the 14. Now slide up to the 5 on the D and repeat the pattern again. So we have 5B, 3G, 5D, 5B, 3G. Now we're going to slide from that 5 on the D up to the 12 and just play 12 on the B, 10 on the G, so from the 5. Then slide up to 7 on the D, play 7, B, 5, G. Then slide from that 7 back to the 9 on the D and play 9B, 7G, 9D. Then we have this little fill to finish off, bend 14 on the G, play 12B, 12E, back to B, 15, pull off the 12, 15, pull off the 12, and bend the 15 on the B 2 times. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Ladies Room Guitar Lesson. Don't forget, if you love Kiss, to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.